Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enter pairing mode on your headphones Realme Buds Air 5 Pro. To enter pairing mode, just open the case and then press and hold connection button on your charging case for at least 3 seconds until you can hear that flash is that LED is start flashing white right here. Sometimes it automatically enters to pairing mode, but if it's not, please click this button. Now we should see our headphones and we actually see it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.